Hello viewers, as you all know that sea life is too much beautiful. In this video we will discuss name of sea animals. So are you ready? Let's start our video. And this sea animal is called crab. C-R-A-B, crab. This sea animal is called seahorse. And now we will learn spelling of seahorse. S-E-A-H-O-R-S-E. This animal is called glowfish, as this is given a glowing effect. So now we will learn spelling of glowfish. Glowfish. You all are familiar with this animal. This is called turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle. These animals are known as prawns. P-R-A-W-N-S, prawns. This one is starfish. It looks like a star. S-T-A-R-F-I-S-H. This sea animal is called dolphin. And now we will learn spelling. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. This sea animal is known as squid. And now we will learn spelling. S-Q-U-I-D. These are penguins. They also live in sea. And these are sea animals. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. This is called snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. This strange animal is called octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. This sea animal is called shark. S-H-A-R-K, shark. This amazing animal is called jellyfish. J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. These fishes are called coral fishes. C-O-R-A-L, coral. This is sailfish. S-E-A-L, sail. These fishes are called clownfishes. C-L-O-W-N-F-I-S-H. This sea animal is called tuna fish. T-U-N-A-F-I-S-H, tuna fish. I hope you all enjoy the video. For more interesting videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.